Hello to everybody. As usual, this is Jodotek. So it's like a promise that they have promised to you that we are going to start a series of lessons which shows how to use WhatsApp, in good ways. Designed one to mean which is appropriate to everybody, how it appear in your smartphone. So now you go on your app, open your app. After opening the app, there is a contact. So after contacts here, there is a groups, there is statuses, there is calls and what. So what we are going to see from right now, it's about just we are going to see how to change the default style of your WhatsApp. First of all, go on your setting. You will find the GB WhatsApp setting. After finding it there, click on it. So you can find many more about this version. Then click on Universal. You can find it here, Universal. There is many more: colors, style, height, media, backup, and so on, and setting. So here you are requested to click on style, look and feel, how to look like the style. Click there on the style. After clicking on the style, you will find different things. So here we are going to see how to change the font style of your GB WhatsApp. So here you click on font style is here. You will find many font styles. So here there is many font styles. What you will do, it's only to click on what you want. You click on what you want. Let's, for example, click on let's, for example, use one of these styles. So click here. After clicking it there, you will click on back, return back. After returning, your GB will restart itself, and it will appear like this. So you can see the way it look like. The font style have changed. You see? Yeah, this is the way it is done. You can see here everything has changed. Yeah, you can see everything. So this is one way just to reach on GB setting. But even you can join there by clicking on one button. By clicking on this button, which have this sign of press, you click on there. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. You click on fourth button from the top. After clicking there, you will find the settings. So you will find the settings where you will click on Universal, then font style here. After going on font style, you choose what you really want to use it. After choosing, and you go back, and then the things will be better. So guys, mm, thank you very much. I can see that thank you for those who have subscribed to get new videos as soon as appeared. So many more are still coming as usual. Shadotech works every day for you. Any technical problem that you will have, that you will meet, you will call me on the number which are appearing on the screen. Thank you. Thank you very much. Here for you.